Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up with Facebook ads for affiliate offers using Meta Business Suite, complete guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Meta Business Suite. Log in with your Facebook account. Select the Ads Center from the left-hand menu. Click on Create Ad to start a new campaign. Choose your marketing objective based on your affiliate offer. Select traffic if you want to drive visitors to your affiliate link. Decide on your target audience. You can define demographics such as age, gender, and location. Use detailed targeting options to reach specific interests related to your affiliate product. Set your budget for the ad campaign. Determine whether you want a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Choose your ad placement options. You can select automatic placements or manually specify formats like Facebook feed or Instagram stories. Now, add your affiliate link in the destination URL. Make sure the link directs users to the landing page of your affiliate offer. Next, craft an engaging ad copy. Highlight the benefits of your affiliate product and include a strong call to action. Add relevant images or videos that resonate with your target audience. You can use Facebook's stock images or upload your own visuals. Review the ad preview to ensure everything looks good. Check the ad copy, images, and link accuracy. Once satisfied, click the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor the performance of your ads in the Ad Center. Use insights to tweak targeting or adjust your budget as needed. Keep an eye on engagement, clicks, and conversions to optimize your results. Testing different ad creatives can help improve your campaign's effectiveness. Apply these steps to continuously refine your strategy and maximize your affiliate sales. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.